Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Renata and this is yet another Friday Sews. I am so excited and can't believe that I have been here making Friday Sews videos for 6 weeks now. That is amazing. I think this is really a good hashtag because it definitely keeps me consistent coming here, sharing with you guys the things that I plan to do, the things that I have done, and a little bit about life. So, what has gone on this week? Well, kind of a lot, kind of not a lot. First things first, it is Friday. And I find that I am always taking Fridays off. I am off today from noon. I'm so excited. We will be heading out about 45 minutes away from where we currently live to check out our model home. Really excited about that. We are hoping in the near future. When I say near future, I mean like 5 years or so. We're going to build our forever home, and we just want to walk through this home and see if it's something that we want, if we like it, and as well as consider the builders. There's so many things regarding building your own home that we know nothing about, so it's kind of nice to have a head start in the game to learn, mature, and get as much information as you can before you drop a lot of money into a project like that. So we're just going to check that out, and I'm pretty excited. So if you guys want to see some videos of that, I mean like a few footage, just let me know in the description and I will share that with you guys, because I think it's just so amazing and fun and just so excited. It just makes me feel excited to have something like that a possibility. So that is one thing that is going to happen this week, which is in a few hours. All right. I already cut into the bakerloo, guys. That has been cut. I've marked all of my stitch lines. Question: do any of you mark your seams? I painstakingly go through and mark all my seams because I feel like my life is so much easier once I could see that line and sew through it. Do you guys do that, or is that just a weird thing that I have that I do? Also, I did my plans video. Yes, I have my plans video. It's all ready to go for a Sunday. I am looking forward to finally sharing one of those. It's been a while since I made a plans video. I find myself always jumping from project to project and not having a set plan, but just going as I feel. And I love to do that, but also I feel it's kind of important to have an idea of where I'd like to be in a month. So if I'm not there, then I know, well, ooh, I didn't make this project last month, but I really was interested in it. So do I want to take a look at that, or do I still have the fabric? That sort of thing. But I am more of a person, like, I don't want to say like as the wind blows, that's who I am, because I feel like there are things that have to happen before certain things can continue, or I'm like a 1, 2, 3, 4 step person. But I feel like in a creative journey, there are times when it's okay to step off your path and do something new, because it's creative energy and it doesn't always stay one place, because you see things that can make something better and it may not be on that same path that you planned for. So that's how I feel about making plans video. It's just like a structure. It's just like a plan to help me get where I need to be, but things might change along the way. So that's why I don't typically make them, but it's been a while and I just kind of like to have that set in stone goal sometimes, and then I could fall away after the next one. So just bear in mind, this video is going to come out. I'm going to have my plan. I'm going to make all these projects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. And then after that, who knows what will happen, right? So next thing I shared, reverse. Next thing, I recorded my fabric haul video. So if you guys remember from my previous Friday sews that I had been working on pattern testing, so some of those fabrics are to make my final makes for the pattern testing. They're just for the hoodie, because you guys know I wasn't too sure about that floral hoodie and the pants, so I bought some fabric that are more me, and I shared those on that video. So that's coming up Friday, so Saturday and Sunday there should be new videos on my channel. And with that said, there isn't really anything else. I have more patterns to cut. I also plan to purchase the Lyra, or is it Lara, from Tilly and the Button. I love that new dress. Here it is. I'm going to pick that pattern up. And the other project is I have the Billy pattern, and I am working on 3 of those, but that's for a very special project, and I probably won't share that here for a while. You probably won't see me wearing that for a while, but I will make one of the Billies to share with you, because it's a really good pattern just looking at it, and anything that comes from Tilly is always amazing. So it's going to be beautiful. There's so much I have going on right now, but the Friday sews is definitely something that keeps me on task, and I look forward to making these every Friday morning and just sharing with you my plan and what's going on. So after that visit to the model home, we are probably going to go to Krause's. I like Krause's. They have such good pretzels. It's beautiful. It tastes lovely. So we'll probably hit Krause's on the way back home. And actually, I think Sophia is coming with us. She is interested. So she will probably be with us. So we probably have to bring her back home. Or not. It's open, and I think kids can go in as well. So yeah, she'll probably just go with us, or maybe we'll just come home and pick up all the kids and then head back out. But I'm pretty sure that's what we're going to do this evening, and that is it. I don't think there's anything else that I'm forgetting to share. I shared that I cut out the bakaloo, and everything is going well with that so far. I have all my project planned out. I would share with you guys what I really locked down for my fabrics, but I have a plans video, so you guys will have to check it out there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and that you will continue to support my channel if this content is something that interests you and really made you feel happy, got you interested in some sort of project, or motivated to do something new. Oh, motivated to do something new. That is something that really just reminded me. I have been to the gym almost all week. I went Monday afternoon, we went Tuesday morning before work, we went yesterday. So I have been to the gym 3 days this week, and I ran on Monday, and I went to the gym Monday afternoon. So my body really hurt, and I feel like going to the gym 4 days a week is really good. It's so hard to do, but yeah, I enjoy it. It hurts, but I love kickboxing. It's so fun. We learn so many different things, and it's just a good confidence builder. I feel really secure in myself when I'm walking down the street, knowing that I can protect myself if necessary. If necessary. Obviously, step away is the best thing, but if all else fails, I feel really comfortable walking pretty much anywhere. So love kickboxing, and I've been doing it all week, and I've been working really hard trying to stay on task, like doing these Fridays videos. The repetitiveness is definitely flowing over in other aspects of my life. So yeah, again, great challenge. So off topic from ending my video, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and that I will see you here next Friday. Bye bye.